Yesterday, I mounted the GoPro on the side of the pole under the pergola and recorded probably 15 minutes of wind blowing and clouds moving. And then this red-bellied woodpecker showed up, and it fed for about 2.5 minutes, and then it flew off, so I edited that. And then about 30 seconds later, a downy woodpecker showed up and fed for probably 1.5 minutes. And so I edited out some of the in-between, and I captured some frames in order to be sure that I was looking at a downy woodpecker. Red-bellied are easy to distinguish from red-headed and pileated, but hairies and downies are a little more difficult. But based on size and markings, I'd say that's a male downy.